Blocking someone on CapCut can help you manage your interactions and maintain a positive experience on the platform. Follow these steps to block someone effectively. Step 1. Open CapCut. Launch the CapCut app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings and activity. Step 3. Find the user. Scroll through your followers or the list of users you have interacted with. Locate the profile of the person you wish to block. Step 4. Access user options. Once you find the user, tap on their profile to open it. Look for the options menu, which may appear as 3 dots or a settings icon. Step 5. Block the user. In the options menu, select the block option. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the user is blocked from interacting with you. By following these steps, you can successfully block someone on CapCut and enhance your user experience. If you need further assistance, consider checking the app's help section or community forums.